کړو دا سیل دا چې کوم دی نو فاست پیپر دی د دغه مارچ 2019 د اناټمي اولنی کوېسچن ریګارډینګ موومنټ اف mandible protection means option A when lower jaw slide backward, B when jaw slide forwards, C closing the mouth, D to open the mouth. Option B is the right answer when jaw slides forward. Which layer is absent in tunica intima of an artery? Subendothelium, endothelium, external elastic lumina, basement membrane. The option D is right answer, basement membrane چې کوم دی نو دا پکې دغه وي. The only long bone that lies horizontally is option یې ورکړي sacrum, clavicle, tibia, ulna. The right answer is option B clavicle. clavicle چې کوم دی نو long and horizontal bone دی په باډي کې. Which of the following salivary gland produce only a serious products? Both A and B. B submandibular, sublingual, parotid, and the right answer is submandibular. Cardiac muscles are the most abundant of varieties. B are branched fibers, C are multinucleated, D are voluntary. The right option is B are branches fibers. The true statement about the thick skin is option A. Example is palm and sole of the foot have dense irregular connective tissue in the epidermis. Most superficial layer is called contain hair follicles. تاسو سره چې کوم دی نو رایټ آنسر د دې چې کوم دی نو په دغه کې دی wait a minute. option A چې کوم دی example palm and sole of the foot چې کوم دی دا تاسو سره چې کوم دی نو د دې دغه option A چې کوم دی نو is the right answer. The statement about the skeletal muscle is number 1A are without striation, B are branched fibers, C چې کوم دی نو are multinucleated, D are voluntary. Option C is right answer are multinucleated. The part of the large intestine include pylorus, cecum, ileum, jejunum. Right answer is B cecum. Cecum the same question چې کوم دی دا تیر شي پیپر کې هم راغلی او دې کې هم راغلی دی. Choose the most suitable answer regarding normal of the skeleton. Option A all of these are function of the skeleton: mineral storage, storing hematopoietic tissue, protection of underlying tissue. Right answer چې کوم دی نو هغه option A دی. all of these are function of the skeleton. Okay, which body region in the human has thick skin? Scalp, upper eyelid, palm and sole, inside upper arm. The right answer is C palm and sole چې کوم دی دا ډیر hard دغه وي. Each of the following may be found in the gallbladder except for option A serosa, adventitia, mucosa, submucosa. The right answer چې کوم دی نو هغه دی adventitia. Number 2 example of ball and socket joint is carpometacarpal joints, ankle joints, hip joints, wrist joints. The right answer is ankle joint. The appendix lies in left iliac fossa, right iliac fossa, right lumbar region, left lumbar region. Option B is right iliac fossa. 14 of the following are primary function of the lower limb except grasping, walking, running to support the weight of the body. Option A grasping چې کوم دی نو تاسو چې grasping نیولو ته په خو باندې څه دغه نیولې داسې نشي څنګه چې په لاس باندې نیولې شي نو دا دغه باندې. The part of the small intestine include the following except duodenum, jejunum, ileum, appendix. Right answer is appendix, option D. 16. Left common carotid artery arise from ascending aorta, right brachiocephalic trunk, right atrium, aortic arch. Right answer is right brachiocephalic trunk. For intramuscular injection, suitable coordinate, coordinate of gluteal region is upper medial, lower medial, upper lateral. The right answer is upper lateral. Option D. The pituitary gland lies in the posterior cranial fossa, foramen magnum, interior cranial fossa, right atrium. The right answer is option D, the right atrium. A cord of dense tissue that connects a muscles to bone is called a bursa, tendon, arthritis, ligament. Right answer is tendon. Example of captain's reservoir vessel is arterioles, veins, aorta, and capillaries. The right answer is B, veins. Gland having both exocrine and endocrine function is, this is the most important. ځکه دا په درېو پیپرو کې راغلی یوه کې کوېسچن هم کوي adrenal gland, thyroid gland, pituitary gland and pancreas. So the right answer is pancreas. The proximal row of the carpal bones consist of all of the following except lunate, scaphoid, triquetral. Okay, په دې درېواړو کې یو نشته، دی پکې مس کړی دی، هغه چې اکچولی ټرپیزیم دی. ټرپیزیم چې کوم دی نو هغه رایټ انسر دی. په هغه کې ورته ما دلته لیکلی هم دی ټرپیزیم. Okay, the narrowest part of ureter is iliac vessel crossing ureterovesical junction, pelvic ureter, ureteropelvic junction. Right answer is B, ureterovesical junction. Okay, true statement about the diaphragm, also called pelvic diaphragm, do not give passage to any structure. It is not the chief muscle of quiet respiration. Is a dome-shaped muscle between abdominal cavities. The right answer is D. دا تیر شوي درې پیپرو کې راغلو، دا درې کوېسچن چې کوم دي دا ډېر موسټ امپورټنټ دغه دي. The largest salivary gland of the body is parotid gland, submandibular gland, sublingual gland, labia salivary gland. The right answer is parotid gland چې کوم دی نو دا right answer دی. 27. Number of the tarsal bone in the foot are option D is 7. The right answer 7. The statement regarding the sternum bone is an irregular bone. Upper part is called zapesternum. It is longer in males and females. Middle part is called mobrium. Option C is the right answer. It is longer in males and than females. Each skeleton muscle fiber is encapsulated by connective tissue layers. Epimysium, primesium, endoneurium, endomysium. The right answer is perimysium. The term superficial means towards the sole of the foot, away from the surface of the body, away from the midline of the body, near the surface of the body. Option D, near the surface of the body is the right answer. Shortest part of male urethra is bulbar membranous penile. Membranous, option B is the right answer. دا تاسو ته یاد وي، په دې کې موسټلی دا چې کوم دي نو ډېر زیات امپورټنټ MCQs او وایوا کوېسچن